4 minutes of incredible tarmac rally sprint. No music, just 100% pure chaos. But what you're seeing isn't love. 100 left 6 into right 5 long, tightens. That is literally a cheat code for the road ahead, delivered in real time. 100 is the distance in meters to the next corner. Left 6 is a crazy fast, almost full throttle corner. We can't hear each other. I asked my co-driver to speak louder. Hard turn. My co-driver got back pain after we finished. Amazing moment. More than 80 kilometer. Left, right. 140. Hard brake. I realized something here, but I didn't tell my co-driver. Brakes was faded and I used heavy gear to slow down the car. I love this. Handbrake. Finished safely, thanks to my co-driver.